Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you the AI settings for the SMS bot. So let's get started. Simply log in to your BotPenguin account and open the SMS bot that you would like to configure. And from there, you will simply choose the option of AI settings under the SMS bot settings. First, you will get three options here. Let's discuss all of them one by one. So first is the basic configuration. Over here you will get the option to integrate the LLM provider as per your requirement. For to integrate the LLM provider, you need to go to the third party integrations and you can connect the open AI platform from here. And once you are done with this, you can choose the model and everything from this particular section. Right over here you can select the LLM provider and the model for the same. Alright, thing is bot configure bot personality. Let AI manage bot personality as needed, or there is also an option to customize the same. So if you turn it on, so the AI will manage the bot personality as needed, or you can also turn it off if you want. Alright, next thing is the configure chat summary. If I turn it on, so I will get the option of preferred language in which I want the summary should be transferred to me. And also I can have these things like generate only if user interacted, restrict based on number of messages, like if there is only 2 messages the AI summary should not be generated. And last thing is the custom instructions, like, and I can add the custom instructions like summarize the conversation. Alright, so in the custom instruction section I can add the instructions like summarize the conversation in 2 to 3 bullets point, and just add the user main point and the main question that customer have asked, and I can save that. So that's all about the AI settings for the SMS bot that we have for now. If you have any queries for the same, please do let us know. We will surely help you with the same. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.